Now, former Chief Justice David Maraga has accused President William Ruto of taking advantage of former Prime Minister Raila Odinga's death and burial preparation to quickly assent to controversial laws, including the Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Amendment Bill of 2024 and the Privatization Bill. Maraga says if the state had good intentions, the president should have waited to pass the laws once the period of mourning has lapsed. He has accused some politicians in government of a scheme to obtain public assets through privatization of public institutions.
Wanataka kufunga midomo yetu tusije tukazungumuze yale ambao tunaona yanaendelea. Wanataka kuuza mali ya Wakenya kiolela. Na mwishowe muangalie vizuri. Hayo mali hayatauzwa kwa watu ambali, ni wao watajiuzia wao wenyewe na wala ambao ni wasaidizi wao. Kwa hivyo ni kusema ya kwamba serikali ya